Hi children, welcome to the class. Volume 1 of class 1, class 1 of volume 1. The chapter is reflection in the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the branch of geometry in which two numbers called coordinates are used to locate the position of point in a plane. Coordinate axes, the two mutually perpendicular number lines intersecting each other at their zeros are called rectangular axis or coordinate axis or axis of reference. Till you know well, you have already learnt in the previous classes where the intersection takes place is 0, 0 and this is the origin, and this takes place x and x dash, and this is y and y dash, and this is the first coordinate, second, third and the fourth coordinate, and this will be with plus and this will be with plus and minus and plus, and this is minus and minus, and this is with plus and minus. Now this is the thing, it will be taken place. Now, yes, the position of a point in a plane is expressed by the pair of two numbers, that is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is said to be abscissa and y-axis is y-coordinate is said to be ordinate. Now here, suppose the coordinate of the number a is said to be minus 3, 4. Now this is the abscissa, that is x coordinate, and this is the 4. 4 is the y coordinate, that is ordinate. Now if a pair of b, abscissa minus 2, abscissa is minus 2 and ordinate is 3, means minus plus takes place in the second coordinate, and it will be written as b of minus 2, 3. b of minus 2, 3. Always comma has to be expressed here. Remember, in stating, this is the important thing to be remembered. In stating the coordinate of a point, the abscissa precedes the ordinate. The two coordinates are separated by a comma and are enclosed in bracket. These are all the rules to be followed. Thus, the point with abscissa x and ordinate y is denoted by the letter x and y. X is always written at the first inside the bracket and y is next, and always x and y has to be separated by comma. Coordinate of the origin O is 0, 0. Always it will be 0 and 0. X will be 0 and also y will be 0. And both the things will never be with the sign plus or minus. Either 0 is plus or not minus. Coordinates of point on x-axis is equal to x, 0 because it will be on the line x. So y is 0. If the coordinate of the point on y-axis, if the point takes place on the y-axis, then the number will be 0, y because x takes 0 there. Now reflection. When an object is placed before a mirror, the image formed is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Children, you have to be with your textbook, page number 162 and 163 with my book, and please be with the reflection chapter. Therefore, to find the image of a point P in a line AB, consider AB as the plane mirror and the point P as the object. Now find a point P dash on the other side of AB such that P dash is that same distance from AB as P is front of it. See what the distance it takes place from the object to the mirror will be same distance from the mirror to the image. Thus the point P dash is the image of point P in the line AB, and the line AB, which is also the perpendicular bisector of PP dash, is said to be the mirror line or mediator of segment PP dash. Now the transformation which maps a point P to P dash is called reflection. Transformation means which changes the coordinate along with the sign, or sometimes it may not change, but the reflection has been taken place. That position change is said to be transformation. The reflection can be denoted in several ways, but here it will be denoted by ML, where M denotes the reflection and L is the line or point in which the reflection takes place. Thus, MX represents the reflection takes place in the x-axis. My, the reflection means it represents the reflection takes place in the y-axis, and M0, it represents the reflection has been taken place in the origin. MX, My and M0, reflection taken place in the x-axis, y-axis and the origin respectively. Reflection in the line y is equal to 0. Children, in case in your question, if the reflection is taken place y is equal to 0 means that is nothing but reflection taken place in the x-axis. Now next, if it is given the reflection taken place y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 means that is nothing but the reflection taken place in the y-axis. If y is equal to 0, reflection in the x-axis. If x is equal to 0, reflection in the y-axis. Please keep in your mind, y is equal to 0, reflection in x-axis. X is equal to 0, reflection in y-axis. And if the reflection takes place in the origin means both the things changes. Children, one thing I want to make you to keep in your mind, you have learned these things since from 7th standard, even though once again I will tell you. If the reflection takes place in x-axis means coordinate of the x remains same, y changes. If the reflection takes place in the y-axis means the coordinate of the y remains same and the x changes. If the reflection takes place in the origin means both the coordinate changes, means plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, both the x and y. This is the things you have to keep in your mind and reading the question carefully, and it has to be proceeded. Now we have confirmed with the theoretical part. Now let us go for the exercise part. Today usually we will be with the problem how to change the coordinates, what the things takes place with the single transformation or double transformation. All these things we will learn with the 12A. 1 or 2 graph may be there, that I will send you through PPT. Yes, all the best. Children, now we are with the 12A. Please, with the first main, observe carefully, complete the following table. Point, transformation, image. First one, point is 5 comma minus 7 and image is minus 5 comma 7. Now they are asking what the transformation taken place. Please observe the point and the image. In the point it is 5 comma minus 7. So image, this is point and this is image. And this is in between transformation taken place. Transformation. Now here minus 5 comma 7. See, x remains same. Sorry, x changed. And also y also changed. Here it is plus 5, here minus 5. Minus 7 plus 7. So in origin. Reflection taken place in origin. Origin. Second one, 4 comma 2. And they have given reflection taken place in x-axis. X-axis. So what we have to do? X remains same, y changes. Next, here it is given dash here and they have given reflection taken place in the y-axis and here 0 comma 6. You have to observe here. Y has remained, means reflection has been taken place in the y-axis. So y remains same, 6 and x has been changed. But in the place of x there is 0. So nothing changes. Because plus 0 minus 0 there is no. 0 has not got neither the plus nor the minus. Next, here in the point 6 comma minus 6 and they ask you to write the transformation and minus 6 comma 6. Observe. Plus 6 has become here in the x coordinate minus 6 and y coordinate minus 6 has become plus 6. So we definitely come to know that is in origin. Next, 4 comma minus 8. So we have to write the transformation minus 4 comma minus 8. So observe. X coordinate plus 4 has become minus 4 and y coordinate minus 8 remains minus 8 itself. So absolutely it is in y-axis. Y-axis. Children, now you come to know that what takes place when the x coordinate changes to y coordinate, means x coordinate changes in the image. What the transformation taken place and what the transformation is given and what are the changes to be find out has to be noticed here. Now let me take the third question. In the third question, the question states that state the coordinate of the following points under the reflection in x-axis. Reflection in x-axis. The question is 3 comma 2. Second one minus 5 comma 4. Third one 0 comma 0. Children, reflection takes place in the x-axis. So the coordinate becomes x remains same, 3 comma y changes minus 2. Here x has to be remain same, minus 5 comma minus 4. Here 0 0. So nothing changes takes place. 0 0. Always, whether it may be x coordinate means reflection in x-axis or reflection in y-axis, when it is in the origin, it remains same. So fourth one same way in the y-axis. Fifth one, please observe reflection in origin. Children, you know well, reflection in origin means it never changes anything. So first one minus 2, both the things changes. Minus 2, minus 4. Second one minus 2 comma 7. Third one 0 comma 0. Now here reflection has been taken place in the origin. So both the things has to be changed. Minus 2 becomes 2 and y coordinate minus 4 becomes 4. Here x coordinate minus 2 becomes plus 2, plus 7 y coordinate becomes minus 7. Don't forget to put the comma. And here 0 remains 0. Now children, let me be with the I have to tell you same way. So let me show the 7th one and you be with the 6th one. State the coordinate of the following points under the reflection in the line y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means reflection has been taken place in the x-axis. In the sixth problem, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means reflection has been taken place in the y-axis. Now here, let me write the problems. First one, minus 3, comma 0. Second one, 8, comma minus 5. Third one, minus 1, comma minus 3. Children, already I told you, y is equal to 0 means reflection has been taken place in the x-axis. So, x remains same, minus 3, comma 0. So, that's the way as it is. Here, 8, comma 5 plus 5. Here, minus 1, comma 3. X remains same, y changes.